Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chika. I'm going to be recreating one of Chev B's most recent looks. I love the style and I love the look, and I want to recreate it with a synthetic extension. I'm going to be showing you which one I'm using. This. In fact, this has become one of my favorite extensions to use because it's just so beautiful. It mimics natural hair so good, and it lasts for a good time. Like it lasts well, yeah. So I got this one for about 15 Canadian dollars. The other things you'll be needing are a mesh wig cap. This is what you will crochet the hair onto. You will need a crochet pin, of course. You will also need needle and thread. Any needle and thread will do. And you definitely will need Velcro and any headband of your choice. So I am going to be doing all of this on my head, because I do not have a mannequin or a styrofoam head. If you have any of that, perfect. It's going to make your life much more easier. But right now I do not have that, and I am just going to wear this. It's a dome cap. I'm going to wear it on my head, yeah, so that I do not crochet into my hair. Okay, so let's get started. Taking down my hair, I'm going to make it as flat as possible. You will not be needing a dome cap if you're using a styrofoam head or a mannequin head. Okay, you only need this if you're going to be creating the wig on your head. So just ignore all these marks. I used it in my practice and they're not useful. So now I am going to be sewing on the headband to the mesh cap. I'm going to do this before crocheting the hair so that it's much more easier. The headband goes around my head well. So now I want to know the part that has to be sewn to the front of the wig cap. I already marked it. I used a correction pen. You can use any pen you have or anything that would show through your headband. So from this point is where, like, this is exactly where I have to sew it to, like from the forehead all around to this white point. So I already did the first part of the Velcro. I sewed it to the band and I sewed this part of the Velcro, especially because this is DIY. I am going to be testing it as much and as often as possible so that I don't make a mistake and have to start over again, because that part on its own is frustrating. So this part will have to go on top here. So definitely the second part I'll be sewing it here on top, this way. So now I'm just gonna go in. So now I'm done sewing it on. I'm going to put it around my head and then test the Velcro. I just realized I made a mistake. So I was supposed to have this band on top the mesh, but I did it the wrong way. So I took the band off so that I can repair it. So it's gonna go in first, and I'm going upside down, locking it in place, and I take the wig inside out as well. So I'm basically sewing both bands together, and then we can start crocheting. Yeah, see, now it's only the band that is visible. This is the only part that is visible. You cannot see anything from the net, and that's the goal. So we are gonna begin. So I'm going behind the comb, taking part of the mesh and the band, sewing them together. Oh my god. Okay, just this two. God, I'm too tired over this, over sewing and sewing and sewing. So I'm gonna check what we've done. So I have my band sewn to the wig cap, and now all that's left is to crochet. So there's the back. Nice. And now we're going to start crocheting the hair. So before that, you have to bring out the comb so that it doesn't get stuck in the hair. So you just bring it out. I'm going to put it under my dome cap. Yeah, so now it's like completely out of the way. I'm going to do the same here. So the color I'm using is 21B30. Stretch. And then I'm going to start from the front so that if I run out of hair, it won't be that noticeable because everything will be covered. So I'm going to pinch, insert the hook, pull the hair in, close the loop, and drag through. And put the hair in once, and then tighten the knot. Be good. So because of this loose end, it's quite slacky in front. So I'm going to be bringing this to the front. Put this in, put the hair in, close the latch, bring it through, put the two legs in. So if you want a detailed tutorial of how to crochet, I'm going to link the video in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Okay, so my wig is almost complete. Okay, let's fill in the sparse areas. So around the back of my head, now I'm gonna go style it. I hope this is the final look. I did not do any extra trimming. All you have to do is to fluff it to your face so that it suits your face shape, like just to, you know, move it around. I'm going for the side parting, so I kind of created a parting, not too obvious because you don't want the mesh showing. And I took like a mini bundle, put it across the parting so that it disguises it. Okay. Okay. So I'm not even wearing a headscarf and I don't have my edges laid. I just don't feel like, but you can lay your edges. You can lay your edges if you want to. And you can wear a headscarf if you want to. This is literally the band that was sewn that we, practically like that we added to the wig. And there you have it, as told by Ginger, the synthetic version. Okay, so if you would want to see or get more styles or more ideas on how I style this DIY headband wig, leave a comment in the section, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will get started on it. So I'm gonna leave you here. If you like this video and it has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and leave extra comments if you want to. Till we meet again. Bye.